stone and sound, I wait alone. Each night I climb these stairs. My fingers find familiar ropes that lead me to your lair. Oh, you made us near. Just feel you hear. Your voice begins to rise. When bronze bells shake the tower walls, your voice rings true and stop them all. The midnight song that pulls me in till morning makes you fade again. Till morning makes you fade. Song keeps your memory between each faithful tone. I hear you in the empty air. You sing into my soul, and here still again, feel you here. Your voice begins to rise when bells shake the tower. Makes you fade. Break out, break through, break through. My hands go harder on these ropes to bring myself to you. Break low, break through. The bells will bind our souls tonight in everything they do. When bronze bells shake the tower walls, your voice rings truest of them all.